unlocking the mystery of ringing in my ears. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, ringing in my ears. This expression is not only vivid but also carries more depth than you might initially think. It's a great example of how English can use sensory experiences to convey feelings, memories, or even persistent thoughts. So, let's explore what it really means and how you can use it in your conversations. Ringing in my ears is a phrase that can be taken both literally and metaphorically. Literally, it describes the sensation of hearing a ringing sound when there is no actual external noise causing it. This can happen to anyone for various reasons, such as exposure to loud noises, or as a symptom of conditions like tinnitus. Metaphorically, however, the phrase takes on a different dimension. It is often used to describe a situation where someone's words, a particular sound, or even a memory is so impactful or persistent that you can't stop thinking about it. It's as if their words or the sound are still echoing in your mind, long after the event has passed. To help you understand how to use this expression, let's look at a few examples. 1. After the concert, the music was still ringing in my ears. Here, it's used literally to describe the lingering sensation of sound. 2. Her advice kept ringing in my ears, guiding me through tough decisions. In this sentence, the phrase is used metaphorically to express how the advice was so memorable and impactful that it continued to influence the speaker. 3. The sound of the alarm clock was still ringing in my ears, even hours after I woke up. This example can be interpreted both literally and metaphorically, depending on the context. Understanding phrases like ringing in my ears is crucial for English language learners because it shows how the language can use sensory experiences to express complex ideas or emotions. It's a vivid way to convey the lasting impact of an experience or conversation, making your communication richer and more nuanced. We hope this video has helped clear up the meaning behind ringing in my ears, and shown you how versatile and expressive English can be. Whether it's describing a literal sensation or a metaphorical impact, this phrase adds depth to your conversations. Keep exploring English with us, and you'll find more and more ways to express yourself effectively and creatively. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.